about 10:30. Headed over to the Mac dealer. I've been on the phone the entire morning trying to get some things figured out for the trucking company and get my... Oh man, I forgot to even upload it. Get yesterday's vlog uploaded, and I didn't even get a chance to do it, I don't think. So, whoops. I'll run home at lunch or something and do that real quick. It's very frustrating trying to do this with truck prices are super high. The lenders aren't letting out a lot of money just because the truck prices are inflated from what they're used to seeing. And it's beating your head against the wall trying to get a very rare truck financed, because the price of this rare truck is a lot higher than all different semi trucks. You know, it's a heavy spec quad axle. Well, it's actually tri-axle. It's dual drives with a pusher and a heavy front end. You know, new they're 280, 300,000. Used they're 200,000. And that truck should be about 175,000. And with the inflated truck market, with the just economy inflation, you know, the banks want that truck to be like 190, but it's 230, and they're going, well, you need $60,000 down to bring the price to what it would have been if you were to put $20,000 down. You know, got 60 grand just laying around. It's like, come on, you know, it's insane. I don't know. I just talked to another trucking company. He's got 4 trucks. He's been in business 2 years. He doesn't have 60 grand just chilling, hanging out, waiting to get put down as down payment. It's just, don't know what we're gonna do. Did shave though. Shaved my head too. Just don't know what we're gonna do. But either way, we're trying to just figure something out. Technically, we got the equipment that we could have Ashley follow me in like an RV and just you know, do that. So she'll be my sleeper instead of buying a sleeper truck. But other than that, it's just like, all right, can we do this? No. Can we get money for this? No. Can we, you know, can we get this set up? No. Hey, can we borrow $230,000? No. Just, how are you supposed to start a trucking company when you can't get the money to start it? How are you supposed to get the money for a trucking company? You know, it's like, how do you get experience? Well, you have to have experience to do, you know, said thing. You need experience to get into flatbedding. So if you need experience to get into flatbedding, how do you get experience to get the experience to get into flatbedding? Well, you do something crappy that nobody else wants to do. Like, you know, go over the road for 2 years, you know, be with the trainer for 6 weeks. And then you can get experience that way. So how do you get money lent to you when you don't have any money, but you're trying to start a trucking company to get money to then be able to do all this stuff? I'm probably babbling. I need to stop and go in. I'm at Bruckner's. I'm frustrated. That's really what this is coming down to. I thought it was going to be easy. I thought, you know, they're going to be like, yeah, no problem. The price has gone down. Here's money. You know, tell us how you do. No, not happening. So I got to get this part and fix this truck because the truck's leaving tomorrow. So it's going to be fun. Loading a couple loads of concrete rock to Tony over in the Atkins job. Concrete rock's an 1.25 inch rock. Not really sure why they call it concrete rock, but it's what's in SB2. I'm eating a Mr. Beast cookie. Not great, but they're not bad. Man, I look weird. Shaved, head shaved. Take a couple days getting used to it. A couple quick loads though. Only take 2 scoops to put on 20 tons, 10 ton a scoop. Well, I just left my gloves in the pit in Atkins. So I'm over here doing this without gloves on. Not that it's a big deal. Just kind of a pain in the butt. I just wish I would have remembered my gloves. But we're fixing this road here. It's all full of potholes and really poor condition. So I'm just dropping the D3 off before this truck leaves town. So I'm doing it at, you know, I'm offloading this at 5:30 at night. I just wish I would have not left my gloves behind. Would have been really nice. So I'm hustling through this, get it kicked off, get it set down, and then I can take the truck back to the office, disconnect the trailer. The guys are gonna leave with the truck tonight, so I'm running behind. And then Ashley's making dinner. I got a bunch of computer work to do. So it's 5:30 right now. I'm still gonna be a long night. Got a ton of stuff left, but this is our open cab D3. The pedal hitch behind the granite. So yay, fun for me. Working late, everyone else is at home. So we'll bang this out, hustle back to town, which is about half an hour away, or I don't know, 20 minutes away. Offload all this stuff, probably won't be home at 7. Work on the computer until 10 or so. Yay, looking forward to it. So, see you guys tomorrow.